Hey guys, Dan from Southwest Michigan Dent Repair here again. Today I'm going to be doing quite a bit of hail work. I got some real nasty, real deep dents. Hail dents here. Can't really see it without the light. Well, you can kind of see the big ones, but. So we've got the deck lid, the roof, and the hood, which all got peppered pretty good. I'm just going to be doing a time-lapse video on this to make this a little easier on myself in this video. So yeah, we're going to get cranking away. Maybe using a whale tail for most of this deck lid. Great big long whale tail you can see I've got here, and it's got the 3/4 inch end on it. Long whale tail. So get cranking on this, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so you can see here we're about 75% of the way there. There's still, I don't know, probably 10 or 15 smaller ones back through here that I gotta get. I'm kind of leaving this big nasty one for last, just because I can't reach it with a tool, unfortunately. I don't have anything that can get in there, which is just unfortunate. So we're gonna do some glue pulling, and it is a little bit stretched. So yeah, we'll just hope that, we'll hope for the best on it. We'll see what happens. And then there's another pretty good, 2.5 inch diameter dent, pretty deep dent as well. So we'll get to cranking on the rest of the little ones. I like to get all the little ones knocked out of the way, and then I can really focus on what the heck I'm doing. So luckily I do believe I can get a tool to this guy here, but the metal is really flimsy on these Camry deck lids, especially out in the middle like that. So yeah, we'll do the best we can with it. I already took care of the other really big dents that were in here. Those came out okay. You really can't see them, so I did all right with those. But we'll see. I'm kind of nervous about this one. You can see you can actually see the inside of the shell right here where it hit on there. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge to get that back. At least for me, it will be. So anyways, there we go. Doing okay so far. All right, so I suppose I'll share what's going on here. So you can see we've shrunk this down quite a bit, this big dent that was in there. And I did that all using a whale tail and basically wedged it, you know, right through that hole. Problem is, I really need a sharper tool to get on that before I do anything else. So I had to look around just a little bit, and on these Camrys, you can pull this shield out and then pop the license plate light out, and you can see in there the dent is basically right up in here. So now I can use pretty much whatever tool I desire to get right up in there and get the rest of that dent out. All right, so we're just left with this big one here and a few small ones in the back there. A little bit more knockdown work. You can see I've got to do that spot right there. It's very close though. Needs maybe like 10 more minutes. And we've got a little spot back here. A few more little spots. Getting close. Alright, so you can see we've got all the dents worked out. Turned out really good. And now we are on to the roof. Actually, no. I'm gonna do the hood next. So, stay tuned for that, guys. We'll be doing a lot of glue pulling and a lot of picking on this hood. So, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.